Let me show you how to remove the Copilot icon in PowerPoint. You can see here I don't have that pesky Copilot icon in the top left corner, and I always had an issue with that. I even created a video called My Frustrations with Copilot in PowerPoint, where I talked about how difficult it is to work with the slide area in PowerPoint because of the presence of Copilot icon here on the top left corner. Thankfully, Microsoft engineers seem to have listened to my plea, and they have given an option for me to remove the Copilot icon. How do you access that? It's very simple. You go to File, go to Options, and here you have a new tab on the left hand side called Copilot. There is this option for you to enable Copilot if you want, or disable it if you want. So if I uncheck this, this is checked by default. So it is always enabled by default if you use Office 365 option. All you need to do is to remove that icon is to uncheck this box and say OK. The key thing here is you need to require to restart the app. Now let us say I want to have the Copilot icon back. I can click here and say OK. And then I need to close PowerPoint, and then I need to open PowerPoint again. And this time when I go to my slide, you can see that there is this Copilot option available for me to use. So this way I get the benefit of Copilot only when I want it. And when I don't want it, all I need to do is to go to File, Options, go to Copilot and uncheck this, say OK and close PowerPoint and restart again. And I don't have Copilot bothering me in the top left corner. Thank you Microsoft for doing this. It's such a relief. And if you want to learn more such simple tips and tricks in PowerPoint, you can sign up to our free snackable PowerPoint course. It's a 10-part series with 10 super short emails, each with a simple step-by-step video tutorial to help you learn one single skill every single day. So by the end of 10 days, you become better with PowerPoint. All you need to do is to click on the link in the description box below the video and join this course. It's totally free and will really help you improve your PowerPoint skills. By the way, if you want to watch my frustrations with Copilot, I have a link for that video right here on your screen. You can click on the link and watch that video in case you are curious. I'll see you inside that video.